This video covers the electrical termination of self-regulating cables using the Chromalox UES N-Seal kit, which provides the necessary terminations for all electrical connections. Each kit contains all of the materials required to make an above-insulation N-Seal for either self-regulating or constant wattage cables, including a pipe standoff, a black grommet for self-regulating cable, an orange grommet for constant wattage, and an end cap. A pipe strap, which is sold separately, is also required for proper installation. Ensure adequate space is available for installation of the UES N-Seal kit based on the dimensions of the kit as shown here. The following tools are needed for installation of the UES N-Seal kit. When installing any Chromalox heat trace product, always utilize the proper personal protective equipment and be sure to comply with all applicable safety guidelines. Before beginning the project, disconnect all power and make sure the installation is grounded in accordance with the National Electrical Code. Also, be sure to turn off the power before removing the end cap. Adequate controls and safety devices should always be installed with any electric heating equipment. Now let's get started. With the cable properly installed on the pipe, begin the UES N-Seal installation by inserting the cable through the pipe standoff and grommet. If you need help with installing the cable on the pipe, see the cable installation video on Chromalox.com for information such as installation temperature, bend radius, and other important details. Next, attach the pipe standoff to the pipe with pipe straps. When inserting the pipe straps, be sure to place the straps between the pipe and cable, not on top of the cable. If the pipes are smaller than 1 1/2 inch in diameter, a small pipe adapter is required. Next, score the outer insulation 1/2 inch from the end of the cable. Then carefully cut the outer jacket from the center to the end of the heating cable and remove the jacket from the cable. Now that the jacket is removed from the cable, trim the exposed grounding braid away from the end of the cable. Be sure the grounding braid is pulled away from the cable's black core material. If the braid contacts the core material, it could cause an insulation resistance test failure or circuit breaker tripping. Next, adjust the cable, extending it 1 inch past the end of the grommet, and insert the grommet into the pipe standoff. Finally, ensure the grommet is tight in the pipe stand, and then tighten the end cap until it bottoms out on the pipe standoff. The installation is now complete. For more information on the UES N-Seal kit or any Chromalox product, please visit Chromalox.com.